Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. I got some more parts here. One, two, three, so I guess I'm going to put, okay. This one here. This one here. Sorry. This one here, this one here. Yep. And then I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3 of these. I'm gonna put this white. Let's put this over here for a minute, because apparently it's just being a pain. So I'll put that like that. So I got a white piece there. And I'm going to put this piece, this 1x6 light gray here. And then I have So I'm guessing this is going to go in the middle? No, not like that. Like that, right? And then there's this dark piece that goes here. Okay, and then this goes like that. This grate goes there, and then this flat plate dark gray goes there. Okay, and I'm gonna put this down for just a sec. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna have this piece here, and I've got to put it on here a certain way. Like, nope. Like that. Okay, just like that. Then this long dark gray bar is going to get pushed in here like this, and then I have, give me a second because I have a guide here. I'm trying to make sure that's lined up, and it looks like it's pretty close. Okay, then I need to put got it. Okay, so I need to put this oops, see, this is going to be the hard part. Wait. Oh, I see what they did. Oh, that's clever. Okay, so I need this like this. Like that. I'm going to make sure this is still, nope. Okay, so it's got to come a little bit further in. I think I went too far with it. Let's do that. So I've got directions here in this book, and I'm just making sure this is correct. Then I'm going to take this piece. I'm going to go like this with it. Oh no, wait. I'm missing this piece. So this goes how? Okay, that one goes on like that. Yeah, it's going to look a little odd. Then I'm going to put this one here. Like that. Okay. So I'm going to put this down for a minute because I still need these pieces. I'm going to put that like that. So I need this 1x2 white to build it up a little. And then we're going to take this piece, put this on, make sure you put it on just like that. Because like I said, this has got to be out like this. And there's a reason we're building this, of course. And now I need this and this. Wait, no, like that. There we go. And then this goes on top like that. And then there are two that go underneath like so. Then this piece goes like that. And then I have these. Okay, so I'm supposed to put, no, not on the side, on the top. Yep, like that. So you got one there, one there, one there, and one there, like that. Then this piece is going to go here, like that. And that's how that should look. Alright, so like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.